Goddess, and I'm coming to you today with month 2 of the Too Faced palette, and it's the Beauty Agenda palette, or whatever you want to call it, the best year ever palette. And if you watched my other video, I kind of quickly explained what I'm doing, so I won't do that again. I'm just going to tell you which one I'm doing for the month. For the month of February, I am doing Love Struck. And just continue watching this video so you can see how I achieved this look. Hope it comes out great. Everything was against me on trying to do this video. My tripod broke. My tablet is doing its own little thing right now. So let's see how my look comes out. And I hope you guys like it. Thanks, guys. Oh, of course. And if you haven't already, you need to hit the subscribe button. It's the red button at the bottom. It has the white letter subscribe. Yes, girl. Hit that button, subscribe to my channel, and keep tuned with my stuff, you know? Ooh, 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 ooh. So I think for someone who does not know how to do a cut crease, this definitely is not one. But I think it came out pretty okay. I got some mascara here. You know, I pile on the mascara. I did change it up a little bit, and this look is called Love Struck. And from this look, so I actually followed everything in this book, and I used the color Christmas Dream, Love Actually, Pine Cone, Sleigh Bells, and for like contouring it or contouring, I used the Chocolate Soleil and the blush for some highlight on my nose and over here. So yes, girl, I'll put everything up on the screen so you can see. I think that the look came out pretty good, but I think that I look a little paler than I normally do. I think the colors were just a little bit light. I usually like more golden tones, and the highlight was, it still has some golden tones to it, some yellow undertones, but it wasn't the color, you know, it wasn't the color that I normally do. But I think it actually came out pretty cute. So, you know, for your Valentine, this will look cute going out on your little cute little date and stuff, you know. So this is a good simple look. It's bold, but it's also really simple and subtle. So, you know, guys, enjoy your Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine. Hope everyone has great plans, and thank you. Oh yeah, my lip, it wasn't on here. So the lip on here was pink. And my lip, I decided to do something dark and a nude color just to follow this kind of ombre effect. And yeah, that's what I did with my lips. I mean, they look nice and kissable. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching and coming back to my channel. And so you know what to do. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe in the beginning of the video. It's the red button at the bottom. Yes, yes, girl. And share my video. Leave some comments. Show me some love. And let me know how you feel about my look. And if you're doing this same Too-Faced thing, I will call it a Too-Faced challenge because really it is. If you're doing this Too-Faced look, following this agenda book, leave some comments. Tell me what, you know, what struggles you had, because clearly I had some struggles. And let me know how you feel about it. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel.